birthday celebrations are special, especially when you celebrate yourself. I have seen many adults who say हम birthday celebrate नहीं करते, we don't like to celebrate ourselves. But actually, Janmadin is a special day only to yourself. This is a day we should be thanking God for our existence. We should be thanking our parents for our existence. And also, this is a check time. जो हम कर रहे हैं लाइफ में वो अच्छा कर रहे हैं या नहीं वो देखिए और आने वाले समय में you can set your own goals. So this is the good time. In this chapter Janmadina Utsavaha, we will be seeing the Janmadin of Dhara, how she celebrates in a very traditional way. So let's see the highlights of the birthday celebrations of Dhara in a traditional way. प्रिय छात्राः नमस्ते, मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए, प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभं कुर्मः। धारायाः जन्मदिनम् अस्ति इज द बर्थडे ऑफ धारा। सा नूतन वस्त्रं धारयति। शी हैज worn न्यू क्लोथ्स। माता धारायै मिष्टान्नं ददाति। Mother gives sweets to Dhara so that she can take into the school and distribute. Sa mishtanam vidyalaye anayati. She brings the sweets to the school. So see, she's so pretty in the traditional wear. Generally birthdays पे हम क्या पहनते हैं? If you're a boy, suit or a jacket with torn jeans. If you're a girl, a gown, a frock. But look at her. Dhara is looking so pretty in the traditional clothes. आज उसका स्पेशल डे है, क्यों ना हम जहां से बिलोंग करते हैं वो वेशभूषा हम पहने। नेक्स्ट, all the madam didi here are called Bhagini. So there is one teacher, Sujala Bhagini. Sujala Bhagini धारायाः शिक्षिका अस्ति. So class teacher, Shikshika, teacher, Sujala ma'am or Sujala Ben is the class teacher of Dhara. Sa Dharam pruchhati. Adya kim visheshaha? She asks her, what is special today? Dhara vadati. Adya mama janmadinam asti. Dhara says, today is my birthday. Sujala Dharayai abhinandanam dadati. Sujala Ben just gives good wishes and blessings to Dhara. Now you think she doesn't remember her birthday, right? ऐसा नहीं है। बच्चे को हम पूछते हैं कि आज क्या स्पेशल है, तो she wants कि वो खुद आके बोले कि आज क्या है। And like kids are very innocent and very jolly during their birthday. They love to say आज मेरा birthday है, today is my birthday. But I hate when people, especially teenagers and adults, वो चिल्ला चिल्ला करके अपने स्टेटस में कहते हैं कि आज मेरा बर्थडे है, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू, और उनका पूरा जन्मदिन बीत जाता है सबको थैंक यू बोलने में। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट कीप इट प्राइवेट। व्हाई टू से टू एवरीवन चीख चिल्ला करके कि मेरा बर्थडे है, देन पुट इनटू द स्टेटस एंड ऑल। जिसका बर्थडे है यू गो डायरेक्टली विश हिम। एनीवेज, कमिंग बैक टू धारा's birthday, Dhara asked, Veena Bhagini kutra asti? So another ma'am by Veena Ben. So where is Veena Ben? Sujala, the class teacher, says, Sa karyalaye asti. That ma'am is in the office. Dhara Veena samipam gacchati. Sa vadati. Mahodaye kripya prarthana sabhayam agacchatu. Veena vadati am aham agacchami. So maybe it appears that Veena Ben is the principal. Okay, is the principal of the school, and she goes to the cabin in the office and invites to come to the celebration. So Dhara, Veena samipam gacchati. Dhara goes near Veena. She says, Mahodaye, oh ma'am, kripya prarthana sabhayam agacchatu. Please come to the prayer assembly hall. And Veena Ben says, yes, aham agacchami, I am coming. Dharayaha sakhi mamata amrapali vrukshasya पर्णानि आनयति. To decorate it in the ancient way, a dearest friend of Dhara named Mamata, okay, Sakhi friend Mamata, brings Amrapali vrukshasya parnani, leaves of the mango tree. Sa toranam grantati, she makes a toran. Just look at it, how beautiful. Vaishali, another friend, Prarthana Khande Sushobhanam Karoti, decorates the Prarthana Khanda, the assembly hall. Dhara Saraswati Matuhu Chitra Samipam Gachati. And Dhara goes to the Chitra of Saraswati Mata on the stage. Adya Dhara Ekadashame Varshe Pravishati. Today, Dhara is entering the 11th year of her life. Atah sa tatra ekadasha deepan prajwalayati. So to symbolize 11, आपने देखा होगा, right? Birthdays are incomplete without cake, but in this traditional format there is no cake, there is mishthanam. Secondly, she is wearing traditional cloth. She is going to Saraswati Mata and not lighting up 11 candles like on the cake. She is in fact Ekadasha Deepan Prajwalayati, 11 दिए जला रही है. Saraswati Matuhu Vandanam Karoti, goes down to Saraswati Mata. Anantaram Yajna Api Bhavati. After that there is a Yajna. Dhara Akshaya Patre Mushti Dhanam Sthapayati. This is the Akshaya Patra, and in that she is putting one handful of rice grains. So Akshaya Patra is basically आज हमने कुछ डोनेशन किया, ये सिंबलाइज करते हुए एक मुष्टि, एक मुट्ठी भर धान्य उसमें डाला. This is not dhanam, actually it means dhanyam. So as you can see, there is yajna, there is dhanam, 11 deepa prajwalan, Saraswati Mata Vandana. All these are the main essence of celebrating a Janma Dinam in the most way that we reflect on our lives, not to forget God, not to say thank you to them. दिए जलाना, क्योंकि आप कैंडल्स बुझाते हो, you are celebrating your next new year in darkness. इससे अच्छा दिए जलाइए. I know that is not a photogenic thing, क्योंकि आप जब कैंडल्स जलाते हैं and blow करते हैं, it's a photogenic craze. But आपको एक short and sweet इतिहास बता दूं, cake cutting and bakery thing came into the 1800s when a person who wants to promote the bakery shop did this in the area कि केक एडवर्टाइज में, मूवीज में बताने लगे in each and every occasion. अगर घर पे 4 लोग है, 5 लोग है, तो साल में 5 केक्स के ऑर्डर. Then there are anniversaries, congratulations and thank you cakes. इससे उन्होंने अपनी बेकरी को प्रमोट किया and that way cakes were introduced in our lives. Then उसके साथ साथ मौके पे चौका कैंडल वाले ने लगाया कि अगर 20 years के हो, 20 कैंडल्स केक पे होनी चाहिए and so on and so forth. तो आप देखिए ये बच्ची दिए जला रही है, लाइट ब्रिलियंस से पूरा नया साल स्टार्ट करिए, नॉट डार्कनेस. नेक्स्ट, अनंतरम सा शुभ संकल्पम करोति. Then she prays and takes a pledge by herself. कुछ अच्छा वो संकल्प लेती है, सोचती है. आचार्य जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशिषम ददाति. The teacher is also giving blessings to her on her birthday. वीणा धारायै आशीर्वादम ददाति. सुजला अपि आशीर्वादम ददाति. The headmaster is giving आशीर्वाद. Then Veena, and then Sujala is Veena Bain, Sujala Bain, the class teacher, the principal ma'am, everyone is blessing her. So elders सब हमारे पे खुश है और bless करते हैं, तो उनका आशीर्वाद सचमुच फलीभूत होता है. अंते, at the end of the whole celebration, धारा सर्वेभ्यः मिष्ठान्नम वितरति. जो मम्मा ने उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए दिया है, not toffees, not chocolates, not फालतू के मेड इन चाइना प्लास्टिक टिफिन बॉक्स एंड कंपास बॉक्स एंड स्टफ, इट्स गिविंग मीनिंगफुल इंडियन स्वीट्स। तो मिष्ठान का वितरण होता है, धारा अतीव आनंदम अनुभवती, एंड दैट्स व्हाई एट द एंड ऑफ द डे द सेलिब्रेशन के अंत में धारा इज फीलिंग अ ट्रेमेंडस हैप्पीनेस। आचार्यः श्लोकम गायति, द टीचर सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग। सदा भवन्तु सुखिनः सदैव च निरामयः विद्यावन्तो यशस्विनः भवन्तु चिरजीविनः। सो ब्यूटीफुल ब्लेसिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द बर्थडे कि सदा हमेशा तुम कैसे रहो, सुखी रहो, निरामय विदाउट एनी डिजीज, स्वस्थ रहो, विद्या हमेशा तुम्हारे पास हो, यश यानी कि गुड फेम, प्रसिद्धि हमेशा तुम्हारे पास हो, और तुम चिरंजीव यानी लंबे समय तक तुम जियो। सो टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स, अगर इसमें से आपने कुछ 10% भी चीजें आपके बर्थडे पे किए हो तो टेल मी इन द कमेंट। Wearing a traditional, then distributing sweets instead of having a cake, यजना करना, या फिर सरस्वती माँ या कोई भी मंदिर में जाके प्रे करना, सभी आचार्य को वंदन करना और अच्छे से संस्कृत में विश करना। शुभ जन्मदिनम। Let's start the अभ्यास कार्यम now. Pronounce the following words correctly. जन्मदिनोत्सवः, जन्मदिनोत्सवः, celebration of birthday. मिष्टान्नम, this is half न followed by complete न, मिष्टान्नम। बहुत लोग इसे ट को ठ बोलते हैं, मिष्ठान्नम, वो गलत है। मिष्टान्नम स्वीट आइटम। अभिनंदनम, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, बट यहाँ पे टू विश। अभिनंदनम। आम्रपाली वृक्षस्य, आम्रपाली वृक्षस्य। एकादश दीपान, एकादश दीपान 11 लैम्प। प्रज्वालयति, प्रज्वालयति to light up. Answer the following questions on the basis of lesson. कस्याः जन्मदिनम अस्ति? धारायाः जन्मदिनम अस्ति। किसका बर्थडे है? ऑफ धारा। धारा जन्मदिन उत्सवे कस्याः वंदनां करोति? धारा जन्मदिन उत्सवे सरस्वती मातुः वंदनां करोति। She bows down to सरस्वती माता। धारा कति दीपान प्रज्वालयति? धारा एकादश दीपान प्रज्वालयति। How many lamps she is brightening up, lighting up? 11 lamps. धारा अक्षय पात्रे किम स्थापयति? धारा अक्षय पात्रे मुष्टिधानम स्थापयति। वो पॉट में क्या रखती है? एक मुट्ठी चावल। वैशाली किम करोति? अनदर फ्रेंड वैशाली, ममता इज वन जिससे तोरण बना। सेकंड जो वैशाली है उसने क्या किया? वैशाली प्रार्थना खंडे सुशोभनम करोति, decorating the assembly hall. Next question is write the verbs from the lesson which I have already collected and it's here. So let's see all the verbs. Dharayati to wear, anayati to bring, prichhati to ask, vadati to speak, asti to be there, dadati to give, ग्रंथति टू स्यू, तोरण बनाना, टू स्यू, करोति टू डू, गच्छति टू गो, प्रविशति टू एंटर, स्थापयति टू कीप, वितरति टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, अनुभवति टू फील, एक्सपीरियंस, गायति टू सिंग. Now these are the sentences where the bold words are given. You need to ask question. To ask question, we will need this one question. Kutra. Kutra यानी where, कहाँ. मम गृहम शिव मंदिरस्य समीपे अस्ति. So you can either say भवतः or भवत्याः based on you are asking a boy or a girl, and then ask भवत्याः गृहम कुत्र अस्ति. And they will reply, Mama griham Shiva mandirasya samipam asti. My house is near the Shiva temple. Tasya vatika nadi tate asti. Just ask, Tasya vatika kutra asti, and a question mark at the end. Don't forget the question mark. Rafikaha griham gacchati. Rafikaha kutra gacchati. Rafikaha griham gacchati. Meenayaha matula gruham Siddhapura nagare asti. Where is the Mama ka ghar, maternal uncle's house of Meena? It's in the Siddhapur city. Meenayaha matula gruham kutra asti. Similarly, you ask question, Harshaha kutra kridati. Where is Harsh playing? Harshaha gruhasya samipe kridati. Near the house. Mala kutra gacchati. Mala shalam gacchati. Going to the school. Don't forget the question mark at the end. In the last question, we are focusing on api, means also. Veena ashirvadam dadati. Sujala api ashirvadam dadati. Veena Ben is giving blessings and Sujala Ben is also giving blessings. Sureshaha mandiram gacchati. After this word, add api and the rest of the object and the verb. Jayeshaha api mandiram gacchati. Sudha pustakam pathati. Manorama api pustakam pathati. They are reading a book. Janani karayanam chalayati. Janakaha api karayanam chalayati. Chalayati chalana, meaning drive karna, driving a car. See, both the parents are able to drive a car. Shikshakaha gitam gayati. Chhatraha api gitam gayati. Both the student and the teacher are singing a song. So how simple was to use api. So this was our chapter Janmadinotsavaha. Hope you are enjoying class 6. So meet you in the next chapter. Till then, keep learning. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha. Do some paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.